Get moving with Qigong is going to be a little more freewheeling than the Healing Qigong class, which is a series that's designed to build on itself, where things go in a certain order. So in the Get Moving with Qigong, we're going to do some warm-ups and we're going to just tune into what's the weather, the mood, the energy of the day, and do Qigong in the moment. So it's an opportunity to practice. You can come to it with no knowledge. I do recommend taking the Qigong for Beginners class if you're very new, and it will be an addition and a complement to the Healing Qigong class. So see you in practice.